This is the complete order of battle for the Battle of Crete and related operations in 1941. Allied Land Forces, Commonwealth and Allied Forces, Crete, Creforce, Headquarters Creforce, Major General Bernard Freyberg, VC, Colonel Stuart C. Squadron, 3rd the King's Own Hussars, Major G. W. Peck 10 Light Tank MK B Squadron, 7th Battalion, Royal Tank Regiment, Lieutenant George Simpson 2 Matilda tanks, crewed in part by 2 officers and 5 gunners of the 3rd Field Regiment, Royal Australian Artillery, 1st Battalion, the Welch Regiment, Lieutenant Colonel A. Duncan, MC 2nd New Zealand Division Headquarters New Zealand Division, Brigadier, Acting Major General Edward Puttig 27th New Zealand Machine Gun Battalion, 5th New Zealand Field Artillery Regiment, 4th New Zealand Infantry Brigade between Hania and Galatas, 18th New Zealand Infantry Battalion, 19th New Zealand Infantry Battalion, 20th New Zealand Infantry Battalion, 1st Light Troop, Rath, 5th New Zealand Infantry Brigade, 21st New Zealand Infantry Battalion, 22nd New Zealand Infantry Battalion, 23rd New Zealand Infantry Battalion, 28th Infantry Battalion, 7th Field Company New Zealand Engineers, 19th Army Field Corps Company, 1st Greek Regiment, EVLP Don Officers Academy, 10th New Zealand Infantry Brigade, New Zealand Divisional Cavalry, New Zealand Composite Battalion, 6th Greek Regiment, 8th Greek Regiment, 14th Infantry Brigade Headquarters, 14th Infantry Brigade, Brig. Brian Herbert Chapel 2nd Battalion, Leicestershire Regiment 2nd Battalion, Yorkham Lancaster Regiment 2nd Battalion, Black Watch 2, 4th Australian Infantry Battalion, 1st Battalion, Argyll and Sutherland Highlanders 7th Medium Regiment, RA. No artillery equipment, armed as infantry. 3rd Greek Regiment, 7th Greek Regiment, Greek Garrison Battalion, 19th Australian Infantry Brigade Mobile Base Defence Organisation, a Headquarters Mobile Base Defence Organisation, Marge, Gen. CE Western Cedar Bay 15th Coast Regiment, RA. S. Royal Marine Composite Battalion, Marge, R. Garrett. 1st Battalion, the Rangers, the King's Royal Rifle Corps, 102nd Anti-Tank Regiment, RAF, no equipment, used as infantry, 106th Light Anti-Aircraft Regiment, RAF, LT, Col. AF Heli, 16th Australian Brigade Composite Battalion, 350 officers and men formed from the understrength 2, 2nd and 2, 3rd Australian Infantry Battalions. 17th Australian Brigade Composite Battalion, 270 officers and men formed from the understrength 2, 5th and 2, 6th Australian Infantry Battalions. 1st Royal Paravolon Composite Battalion, a collection of miscellaneous British units, or remnants thereof. 2nd Greek Regiment, 930 officers and men. 2nd Heavy Anti-Aircraft Regiment, Royal Marines. Naval Forces Commander-in-Chief, Mediterranean Fleet, Admiral Sir Andrew B. Cunningham. Forces A1 Force A1 Rear Admiral H. B. Rawlings. Queen Elizabeth-class battleships HMS Warspite, Captain D. B. Fisher. Damaged HMS Valiant, Captain C. E. Morgan. Damaged G&H-class destroyers HMS Greyhound, CMDR. W.R. Marshal Ardeen, sunk the 22nd of May 1941 HMS Griffin, LT. KRC Letts HMS Havoc, LT. GRG Watkins HMS Hero, CMDR. H.W. Briggs. J-class destroyer HMS Jaguar, LT. CMDR. JFW Hine, Force B, ADML. Rawlings Light Cruisers HMS Gloucester, Captain Henry A. Rowley, sunk the 22nd of May 1941 with the loss of 722 crew HMS Fiji, Captain PBRW William Powlett, sunk the 22nd of May 1941. HMS Orion, Captain. GRB Back, damaged. HMS Dido, Captain. HWV McCall, damaged. Destroyers HMS Decoy, CMDR. E.G. McGregor. HMS Hereward, LT. W.J. Munn, sunk by enemy aircraft the 29th of May 1941. HMS Hotspur, LT, CMDR. CPF Brown. HMS Imperial, LT, CMDR. C. Ada W. Kitcat, sunk the 29th of May 1941 off Crete. HMS Jackal, LT, CMDR. MP Jonas. HMS Kimberley, LT, CMDR. JSM Richardson, Force C, Force D, Force C, Force C. Captain J.P. Mack. HMS Ilex, Captain. H. St. Ol Nicholson. HMS Jervis, Captain. P.J. Mack. HMAS Nizam, LT, CMDR. Max Joshua Clark. HMS Carlisle, Captain. TCE Hampton, damaged. 5th Destroyer Flotilla, 5th Destroyer Flotilla. Captain Mountbatten. HMS Kelly, Captain. Lord Louis Mountbatten, sunk the 23rd of May 1941. HMS Kashmir, CMDR. Harking, sunk the 23rd of May 1941. HMS Kelvin, CMDR. J.H. Allison, damaged. HMS Jackal, LT, CMDR. MP Jonas. HMS Kipling, CMDR. A St. Clair Ford. Evacuation Fleets for Kier Evacuation Force, Rear Admiral King. HMS Phoebe, Captain. G. Grantham, Light Cruiser. HMAS Perth, Captain. Sir P.W. Bowyer Smith, Light Cruiser, damaged. HMS Coventry, Captain. W.P. Carney, Light Cruiser. HMS Calcutta, Captain. D.M. Lees, anti-aircraft cruiser, sunk the 1st of June 1941 with 255 survivors. HMS Glengyle, Captain. C.H. Petrie, landing ship, infantry. HMAS Napier, Captain. Stephen Harry Tolson, Alice RN, N-class flotilla leader. HMAS Nizam, LT, CMDR. Max Joshua Clark. HMS Kelvin, CMDR. J.H. Allison. HMS Kandahar, CMDR. W.G.A. Robson. Air Forces Air Officer Commander-in-Chief, Middle East, Air Chief Marshal Sir Arthur Longmore No. 30 Squadron RAF Bristol Blenheim No. 33 Squadron RAF, Gloucester Gladiator, Hawker Hurricane No. 80 Squadron RAF, Gloucester Gladiator, Hawker Hurricane No. 112 Squadron RAF, Gloucester Gladiator, Hawker Hurricane No. 203 Squadron RAF Bristol Blenheim, Axis Forces.